goes far beyond teaching lessons from textbook. Our greatest responsibility is to nurture empathy, kindness, compassion, and love in the hearts of our students. Today's theme is service to God, beautifully reflects this purpose. To be truly human is to rise above selfishness and extend a helping hand to those in need. Service to man is not just an act of charity, it is a noble expression of humanity itself. Instilling this value empowers them to take responsibility, to feel empathy, and to make a meaningful difference in the world. Ultimately, being human is not about what we achieve for ourselves, but what we give to others. Together, let us strive to create a compassionate and caring society. Because in serving humanity, we serve God. Without further ado, I would like to call upon Aditri on the stage.
Today, we the students of Class 3 have the opportunity to entertain you all through our presentation. So let us proceed further with a prayer followed by a hymn. Hello everybody, let's listen to a story. Once there was a wise man. One day he was seen laughing in the streets. Why are you laughing? The people asked. The man said laughingly, can you see that stone in the middle of the road? Already 10 people have stumbled on it. Everyone blamed the stone, but no one took the trouble to remove it. If the first person would have picked up the stone, then the other 9 would have not fallen down.
इसका मतलब यह हुआ कि हमें हमेशा दूसरों की मदद के लिए तत्पर रहना चाहिए, क्योंकि दूसरों की सेवा और मदद करना ही ईश्वर की सच्ची भक्ति है. Do you want to know more about it, how you and I can be help to others? Then listen to my
love them as our own brothers and sisters. Sometimes our friends fall down and get hurt. We must help them to get up. We must also share our food and toys with our friends.
There are many people in the world who do not have any house to stay, good food to eat, proper clothes to wear. We must help and take care of such people.
Many people are disabled in this world. They are unable to see, hear or talk. They are sick people who stay in bed. God is happy when we help this poor and sick child. We must not shout at beggars and unsafe people. If we cannot help these people, we can at least smile at them. So God loves children who are always ready to help everybody. To love is to serve God. Let us all hear a beautiful poem. Thank you. Kind with your words and gentle in your way. Help someone in trouble and brighten up their day. Share your toys and smile a lot. Say thank you and leave your chair. It is not about being the best, it's helping others to rest. A heart so pure, a soul so bright, makes the world shine with light. Being human, big or small, means showing love and care for all. Thank you. Help the poor, help the small. God will help you when you call. Spirit of service is a great virtue. Some people only live for themselves. On the other hand, some people are greatly affected by the suffering of people. Let us know about some of them and take inspiration how to help others. Mother Teresa. Let us know something about Mother Teresa, who lived most of her life in India. She founded the Missionaries of Charity. They run hospitals for people with AIDS, leprosy and TB. She also started soup kitchens, orphans and schools. She believed in giving wholeheartedly free services to the poorest of poor. I am here to tell you all about Mahatma Gandhi. He led nationwide campaigns for ending poverty, ending untouchability, and above all for achieving Swaraj or self-rule. He always practiced non-violence and truth. He was known as Father of the Nation. I will tell you about Florence Nightingale. She was a celebrated English reformer. She was known as the Lady with a Lamp. Her social reforms include improving healthcare for all sections and advocating hunger reforms in India. I will tell you about Radha Ram Mohan Roy, who strongly supported abolishment of all social evils such as superstitions, blind faith, and evil customs of Indian society. He took initiative to eradicate sati system, female infanticide, polygamy, and untouchability. I want to share some information about Jyotirao Phule, who was an activist thinker and social reformer. He worked in in the fields of education, agriculture, caste system, women and widow, upliftment and untouchability. He opened the first school for girls after educating his wife.
I will tell you about Nelson Mandela. He was the first black president of South Africa. He stood against the people who oppressed others. He showed a human spirit to everyone. He ended the difference between black and white.
I am here to tell you about a couple who has done a lot for the present-day society. Yes, they are no others but our founder parents, late Mr. and Mrs. Su. It is because of them we all are getting education. They started school back in 70s with a handful of children, and today, because of their selfless dedication and hard work, thousands of students getting education every year. Because of them only, the children of socially backward society are also getting education. After their demise, this noble work is carried by the children. Thank you.
Help to others.
Do you know parents? Although we are small children and cannot be a big help to the needy, but still there are many things that we as children can do. Here are few of them. I will show my concern for animals around because they are the part of our life and bring joy in our life. I will visit hospitals with elders to serve sick people. I will show my concern for them. This will surely bring smile on their face and their sickness will vanish. I will raise voice against injustice in school, home, or public place. Considering my age level, I will try to teach small children of my domestic help to read and write their names and share my toys, eatables with them, and try to fulfill the motto, each one teach one. With the help of my teachers and elders, I will try to make people aware of rights and duties by exchanging small escapes, dropping leaflets, writing slogans on being human. Charity begins at home. I will take care of elderly people and will be their support. I will also spend time for them, play with them, and will run small errands for them. I will try to plant more trees, tell everybody to do not waste paper, electricity and water. Do not use poly bags, become eco-friendly. I will try to serve the environment.
I will motivate my parents to sponsor the children who want to study but are financially weak.
काम अच्छे हमारे और नीयत साफ हो, काम अच्छे हमारे और नीयत साफ हो, है वही इंसान जहाँ इंसानियत का वास हो, है वही इंसान जहाँ इंसानियत का पास हो। अच्छे हमारे और नीयत साफ हो। है वही इंसान जहाँ इंसानियत का वास हो। है वही इंसान जहाँ इंसानियत का वास हो। दूसरों के दर्द में जो ढूंढे अपने दर्द को, रब भी देता है दुआएं ऐसे उस हमदर्द को। दूसरों के दर्द में जो ढूंढे अपने दर्द को, रब भी देता है दुआएं ऐसे उस हमदर्द को। बांट ले सुख दुख को जिसके दिल में ऐसी प्यास हो। है वही इंसान जहाँ इंसानियत का वास हो। है वही इंसान जहाँ इंसानियत का वास हो। जिंदगी में गलतियाँ होती ही आई है सभी से। काम जो करता है गलती होती भी तो है उसी से। जिंदगी में गलतियाँ होती ही आई है सभी से। काम जो करता है अपनी गलती जो सुधारे दूसरों की माफ हो। है वही इंसान जहाँ इंसानियत का वास हो। है वही इंसान जहाँ इंसानियत का वास हो। प्यार देकर प्यार पाना कर्म है इंसान का। मानव है तो मानवता ही धर्म है इंसान का। प्यार देकर प्यार पाना कर्म है इंसान का। मानव है तो मानवता ही भेदभाव का ना हो ठिकाना, प्रेम का निवास हो। है वही इंसान जहाँ इंसानियत का वास हो। है वही इंसान जहाँ इंसानियत का वास हो। काम अच्छे हमारे
are made to be kept. So, why not we all promise to join hands together and try to spread the light of serving and helping others wherever we go. Let our promise
मानव सेवा की भावना एक ऐसी भावना है जो हमें ईश्वर के करीब ले जाती है। जब हम लोग दूसरों की सेवा कर रहे होते हैं तब हम वास्तव में ईश्वर की सेवा कर रहे होते हैं। ईश्वर ने हमें इस दुनिया में कुछ उद्देश्यों के साथ भेजा है और उनमें से एक है दूसरों की सेवा करना। आइए इस नाटक का आनंद लेते हैं। धन्यवाद। सेवा करो इंसान की, पूजा होगी भगवान की। भूखे को रोटी, बीमार को दवा, बेसहारे को सहारा, यही असली धर्म है। हम सब मिलकर यह संदेश फैलाएं, मानव सेवा ही ईश्वर की सेवा है। सुनिए सुनिए एक सच्ची कहानी जो आपको आईना दिखाएगी, जहाँ गुच्ची और अरमानी लेने के तो पैसे हैं, लेकिन किसी भूखे को खाना खिलाने के लिए नहीं। आइए देखते हैं। टोनी संजय रवि मंदिर के बाहर। आज तो पूरा इंस्टा लाइव करेंगे, मंदिर के सामने पूजा करते हुए पोस्ट डालेंगे। फीलिंग दिल भाई, भगवान को इम्प्रेस करना है, तभी तो मम्मी बोली नौकरी मिलेगी। संजय पंडित जी से बात करते हुए, बेटा कुछ खाने को मिल जाए तो बहुत मदद हो जाएगी। अरे हटो, जगह गंदी कर रखी है, पुलिस बुलाओ क्या?
अरे रुको, ये इंसान है, कूड़ा नहीं, इन्हें हटाओ नहीं, सहारा दो।
संजय पंडित जी से बात करते हुए, पंडित जी खास पूजा करवा दीजिए, नौकरी लगवानी है, जरा वीआईपी ट्रीटमेंट दे दे। हाँ बेटा, भगवान वीआईपी पूजा से बहुत जल्दी प्रसन्न होते हैं। 1100 की थाली में 100% रिजल्ट। रवि अम्मा को सड़क पार करवा रहा है। अरे कोई मेरी मदद करे, मुझे कोई रोड पार करा दे।
आइए अम्मा, मैं आपकी मदद करता हूँ।
बेटा तेरे अंदर भगवान खुद रहते हैं, जो बुजुर्गों की मदद करे वही सच्चा भक्त है।
मामा कहती थी भगवान वहाँ नहीं जहाँ मूर्त है, भगवान तो उस इंसान में है जो भूखे को खाना दे, बुजुर्गों की सेवा करे, वही सच्ची पूजा है।
बेटा कुछ खाने को मिल जाए तो बहुत मदद हो जाएगी। रामू काका बेहोश हो जाते हैं, भीड़ तमाशा देखती है। अरे कोई एम्बुलेंस को कॉल करो। अरे इनके लिए टाइम टू वेस्ट करना, वैसे भी ये सब का नाटक होता है। चलो चलते हैं।
मैं काका को लेकर हॉस्पिटल जा रहा हूँ, पैसों दूसरी इस बात में है, पहले इंसानियत है। चलिए काका।
हॉस्पिटल के बाहर एनजीओ की सरिता का प्रवेश। आभूषण द्वारा रचित और स्वरबद्ध किए हुए गीत और लहरी स्वर द्वारा सिखाए गए हुए नृत्य द्वारा करते हैं। धन्यवाद।
किसी का भला कर जाने से सर्विस टू मैन, सर्विस टू गॉड, सर्विस टू मैन, सर्विस टू गॉड। ना धूप जलाने से, ना धूप जलाने से ईश्वर खुश होते हैं, किसी का भला कर जाने से। सर्विस टू मैन, सर्विस टू गॉड, सर्विस टू मैन, सर्विस टू गॉड। घर से मस्जिद दूर तो क्या, रोते बच्चे को हंसाओ, दूसरों की खुशियों में ही क्यों न तुम भी खुश हो जाओ, क्यों न तुम भी खुश हो जाओ। घर से मस्जिद दूर तो क्या, रोते बच्चे को हंसाओ, दूसरों की खुशियों में ही क्यों ना तुम भी खुश हो जाओ, क्यों ना तुम भी खुश हो जाओ। न चादर चढ़ाने से, न टीका लगाने से, न चादर चढ़ाने से, न टीका लगाने से ईश्वर खुश होते हैं, किसी का service to God, service to man, service to God. न भूल चढ़ाने से, न भूल जलाने से, ईश्वर खुश होते हैं किसी का भला कर जाने से। Service to man, service to God, service to man, service to God.
Please parents volunteer and come here for the games. I appreciate it if you put your hand up. Okay? Let's start. Start. Three. No, ma'am, out. Start here. No, out. You were supposed to put your hand up. Okay, we'll start from here. Now you are the first one. Okay, start. Wrong. No. Yes, you were right. Second. Sorry, I got confused. Okay. Thank you, parents. I hope you enjoyed. We also enjoyed here. Thank you so much. Share your words of appreciation with these young ones to motivate them and to encourage them for better. Please come.
Good morning, everybody, and good morning, Principal Ma'am, Director Ma'am. It was a very nice program. I thought we enjoyed it. Well done, girls, boys. Well done.
Very good morning to all of you. I was impressed, and they were so well trained that children, without any teachers, without their teachers' help, they were coming, they were performing, they were moving. In the dance also, they were making different formation, and everything children were doing on their own. So very well trained, very well to be wonderful. And children, your performance was excellent, because all of you did so well. And you were speaking so confidently, your pronunciation, your words, everything was so clear that I think every one of you must have understood what they are saying. Sometimes, the small children, when they speak, they are not so clear. But all of them were so clear. Clarity was so good. They were not in a hurry, and they were not feeling shy. Nothing was there. So I think they spoke better than us. They were so good. So very well done, children. I want parents, let's give them a big round of applause. Every word which they spoke, it was so well written. Your script was also so good. And I think Shubhi also, the ma'am also needs one big round of applause. So thank you all. big thanks to Rahul sir and Lahiri sir, because the song which was written, every word had was meaningful in the dance. And when they were talking about that poem also, but each and every child, whatever they spoke, had so much of message for us, so many messages were there, that each one of us, if we start following them, I think our society will definitely be better to live. Because we only can contribute for the betterment of the society. Nobody else can come and do anything. If a drop is there, then so many things can happen. And today let's all decide in our heart and decide that give pledge to ourselves that yes, from today we will start doing work for, we will start helping others also. At least one person, at least something we can do for the needy ones, but the genuine cases. Like, there are so many people who ask for help, but many of them are not genuine. But let's see ourselves and assess that yes, the person definitely requires help, whether old or young, it hardly matters. The need, every human being has some need or the other, and they are helpless to help themselves. So let's do something for them. We try our best. And thank you for the suggestions. So the very good suggestions, we will try what we can. As I know, you are a person, you are IT person, so you have so many suggestions for the like this. Definitely we will try, but we cannot promise. But good suggestions are always welcome. And sir, what you said also, that was also very helpful. Other parents, whatever you said, I know many of you did speak, but if you start coming, every one of you can say something or the other. But your blessings are more important, which you must give to your children, to the entire class, because that is what these children require. And I'm sure your vision and the vision which our founders saw, they always with that vision only they started that along with academics, let's make our children a good human being and give them such values. And that's what these children have, that the message has been given by them. Let's be a good human being. And I'm sure children, you all must have learned the lesson today, what you spoke. Isn't it? Always remember these words in your life, and with all of you do and be a good human being. Always be helpful to each other. Isn't it? That's what we can hope for. Because we are so proud of you. You are going to get great Sprintalians. We are looking forward for such children, those who contribute to the society. And you are the future citizens, future generation of our nation. So God bless all of you with all of you children. And we love you a lot. Thank you so much for such beautiful presentation. Thank you so much. Thank you very much for your motivation and for your
Please come.
Good morning, parents. I think we all will agree that it was a wonderful presentation with a very good learning. All of us, it was a learning for us, a very good message was given by these children, or especially by the teacher, whatever she had written, and the confidence and whatever you all saw, everybody has already spoken about it, it was excellent. And as they are growing eyes, you can see the change in them. So very well done, children. And they were so organized. While they were coming and going from the stage, they were waiting for the beat before they said thank you. They would hold hands. They were not in a hurry to go back. They were so well trained that they were doing as per instructions. So it was an excellent, very good, very well done story. And a good learning for all of us. And whatever these children are learning now, they will never forget. These presentations, whatever they learn in the presentation is a learning for life. Maybe they forget the academics, but they will not forget this. So very well done, children. God bless you. And each song, the first song also, what were the lines? Not that it will be the dance song. That song was each and every word was so good and very meaningful. So thank you for selecting such a good song. Thank you, children. God bless you.
Now, I would like to call upon our respected principal, Ma'am Sudha Purana. Ma'am, please come and encourage these little ones.
Good morning once again. I know we parents were very elated to see your watch performance over here. And at Springdale, our aim is always, as Hannah ma'am also said, to make them good human beings. If they are good human beings, we have served our purpose. In this mad race of minting money, if we can make some good human beings who have good values, it means we can make good society where everyone can live comfortably. So, Shubhi ma'am, thank you so much for this theme, and these children presented it very well. So thank you children, thank you so much. As ma'am said, you must have learned all these values, have you? And you will always remember it. That service to man is service to God. Okay. I hope you will always remember it. Love you. God bless you all. Thank you so much. Thank you.
For being a part of today's presentation. We have seen, heard and felt what being human truly means. Spreading kindness, showing compassion and serving others selflessly. A special vote of thanks to all the people who have been very helpful to us throughout this presentation. Thank you so much Rahul sir for composing such a nice song. Thank you so much Lahiri sir for this amazing choreography. Thank you Munna Lal Bhaiya for helping us, and a special thanks to my coordinator who has been through and through a great help to me from the day when I have entered this institution. Thank you Ma'am Daya Joshi. But let's not stop at words. Let us turn this inspiration into action. Before you leave the hall today, we invite each one of you to sign the pledge for kindness, a promise to practice empathy, lend a helping hand, and make our world a better place. What's better way to begin this noble act of having our honorable directors and our principal lead the way by signing first. Remember, kindness costs nothing but has the power to change everything. Together, let us commit to being truly human. Thank you and have a wonderful day.